So today I'm going to be showing you guys how. Don't shake, please. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Winnie Claire. It's been such a long time. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to post anything last week. It was such a busy week. So thank you guys for coming back again today. If you're new, hi, welcome. I'm Winnie Claire and this channel is all about how to be beautiful, confident and classy. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do cut crease eyeshadow method. It should be fun, you know. Let's see how that goes. I'm going to teach you guys how to do that so that you can do that on yourselves and look bomb. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into this video.
So I'm going to begin by applying foundation on my eyelids to act as my eyeshadow primer. You can decide to use the regular eyeshadow primer, but I just wanted to mix things up today. So I'm just going to blend it out with my fingers and then we move on. Next, I'm going to go in with this reddish tone. So you want to apply it to the outer part of your crease because that's just going to act as, just to give it a little bit more color. So as you can see, I'm just applying it only on the outer region. There is no need to apply it inside or in the inner corners of your eye crease. Apply this in a circular motion. In a circular motion. Don't drag it or don't, be rough with your brush. Just in a circular motion. That gets the work done. So I'm just going to do this to my other eye and then we continue. So next I'm going with the black shade just to give it a smoky effect and to make it look more diffused. For some reason I'm very particular about this look and I just really like it. So the same way we applied the first eyeshadow, we're just going to apply this one in a circular motion and at the outer corner of our crease. There's no need to put it inside or in the inner corners of your crease. As you can see now, I'm having a more diffuse effect. You can see the black and then you can see the reddish orange popping out a little bit. So then now we do this for the other eye. On to the real deal. So now I'm just going to go in with my foundation and my brush and I'm going to cut the crease. Now when cutting the crease, you have to be very careful because we're dealing with concealer and we don't want it to spill. So you're basically just drawing the shape of your eyeball, the shape of the part of your eye that bulges out. You're literally just cutting it out and then leaving the rest. So as you can see, I'm carefully just tracing around where I think my eyeball kind of ends. I don't know if that makes any sense, but just trace your eyeball. And then after that, you want to fill in with the concealer or with the foundation. So now I'm working with three colors, the white one first, then the sky blue, and then the dark blue, just to give it a an ombre look. So the white, the lightest shade goes into the inner corner of my eye. So I'm just going to dab. You dab on it, you don't rub, just so that it can, look more effective and full. So I'm just going to dab on that and keep going. You can decide to keep going back in if you're not satisfied with the shade that you have. But I think I'm okay for now, so I'm going to move to the next one. So now I'm going to use the darker shade of the blue on the exterior end, just to, as I said earlier, give it the ombre look. So I'm just going to use a dark blue shade on the outer part. And as I said before, you dab. I don't quite have the patience, so at some point I started to rub, but then you just tap on your eye and you just tap gently. So after this, I'm going to go in with the middle shade, which is the sky blue. And this is just to make it give it a softer look because if I had left it, then I would have a sharp contrast with the light blue and the dark blue, and there'll be a line in the middle. So the sky blue is just to ease in the dark blue and to make it look more ombre and diffused. Now I'm going back in with my black eyeshadow just to give it that smoky eye effect because I thought I felt like I was losing it at some point. So now I'm just going to do the same for the other eye and I'm going to shut up and you're going to just watch and see how it goes.
this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was very helpful to you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and comment as well, and also share with your friends so that everyone can have this information. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you for your continuous support. I really appreciate it. By the way, peep my contacts. I'm just loving them. Anyways, so thank you for watching so much. Please subscribe if you're new to this channel, or if you aren't already subscribed to Winnie Claire, and I'll be seeing more of you in my next video, so make sure to stick around. Bye.